seems so simple. It's ask people what they want before you give it to them, and yet, how do you do that? I think that intuitively we all know that we should do that, but what Ryan does is he lays out exactly how to do that, and how to do that in a way that makes your results a little bit more predictable.
This has given me an entire mindset shift, because what it's done is created a new framework for how to look at best reaching our ideal customers and better serving our ideal customers.
There's this open communication. There's no friction between me and the marketplace.
You know, not only has it been a business success in terms of the X's and O's and the revenue, but it's really helped us scale our company.
In the first 5 months of the year, I surpassed my 2014 number.
That has changed the way I do business forever. It's that important to me.
And the Ask method is not just theory either. I've used this exact step-by-step method myself to take my first real online business from $0 to $25,000 a month in 18 months, and today earn a multi-million-dollar income working from home. I've used this exact method in markets ranging from Scrabble tile jewelry to orchid care, to golf instruction, dog training, and weight loss, to even teaching people how to improve their memory, and much, much more. In fact, since 2008, when I quit my last real job, I've used the method that you're about to discover to enter 23 different markets, generate over 4 million email subscribers, over 200,000 customers, and over $100 million in sales. And more importantly, it's a method I've now shared with thousands of students around the world who are using it themselves in their businesses right now, today. In this workshop, you'll meet a few of these students, like JAMAL, who used the Ask method to generate 10,000 leads online in just 10 days at 15 cents per lead, launching a new 6-figure business in the process. And Ryan, who generated 20,000 leads, 1,100 customers, and $26,000 in revenue in his first 5 weeks. Now, Ryan is on pace to do over $1 million in his first year using the Ask method. And Marina, who used the Ask method to launch a new business while working full-time, making $11,000 in her first month, enough to quit her job and pursue her dream of owning her own business. Now, I've got 4 videos to walk you through in this workshop so you can see how these entrepreneurs are all doing it. And in today's video, the first video in this workshop, we've got a lot of ground to cover, and I don't want you to miss any of it. So it's important that you watch this entire video now and pay close attention. In fact, there's also a PDF on this page that you can download to help you take good notes. Are you ready to get started? Let's dive right in.